My name is David McCharles. I'm President and CEO of Pineberry Manufacturing. We specialize in feeding and dispensing equipment, pharmaceutical serialization, and custom automation. So today we're introducing our serialization and aggregation CartonTrac system. The most special thing about it is we're stacking the cartons afterwards, banding the cartons and doing a full aggregation with our partner who is Dents. They supply the software and the integration of the full line. For this application, it's going to be a hand pack system, but it can automated cartoning device. So they're going to have people manually filling the pharmaceuticals. We align it with guides to get it straight. And the most important thing for that is to get it through the printing system perfectly so we don't get any rejects. We're using a VideoJet Wilkie inkjet printer, thermal inkjet printer that's going to serialize the side of the boxes. We use a Cognex camera to do the verification. We're tracking through an encoder and the Schneider Electric PLC. For this system, one of the biggest components is a robotic stacking system that we had custom made with our partner Schneider Electric. Schneider's been a partner with us for the last 8 years now, and they supply all our PLC and motors and HMI. And now some of the robotics that they have to offer, we're starting to implement into our projects.
My name is Brent Houghton. I'm Operations Manager here at Pineberry Manufacturing. We're using the XY gantry robot from Schneider Electric. It's running on integrated servo motors, which means it doesn't require a servo drive. They've also done our programming for us on the HMI screen, so we can program for various pick and pack patterns that we're doing with the aggregation system. The integrated servo motors that are used on this are integrated into the motor itself. So the motor and the drive are all in one, which means that we basically need to program the factors for the movement in on the PLC, and that's it.
It's 8 meters a second, the movement on the robot, so it's very high speed, but very steady with the servo motors and very accurate. We push it into the banding system from Bandol. We wrap the band around it.
We push it through the bander, band it as one single unit, and after that we label the entire band with the information that the whole banded bundle contains.
At that point we have another Cognex camera that takes a picture of the whole group, and then it gets pushed out, print and apply with a Weber labeling system, and then out to an operator.
The technology there is a tamp and blow system. So the label is printed and the labeler tamper is extended, and it has a blast of air that puts the label on the product without actually contacting the product.
The reason that we chose Schneider Electric was definitely the support that we get from them. As a small business, they treat us very well. If we need support from them or our customers need support, Schneider's been there right away to help us out.